Allocating products into categories enables meaningful reporting and increases the ease of ordering and maintaining accurate stock on hand. Categories can be reviewed and managed in category maintenance. From the Stock Manager module, click the category maintenance icon or click the maintenance menu and select 1, Categories. The brand category type is displayed by default in the category maintenance window. If you wish to view a different category type, make your selection from the drop-down menu. You can also change the sort order to be sorted by category code in the Display Order drop-down menu. All categories assigned to the selected category type are displayed. To search for a particular category, click Find and enter the category code or start of the category name and then click OK. To view or update the details of the category, select the category and then click Change. The category code and category name are displayed. It is possible to set a gross profit or markup percentage guideline against a category in the fields displayed. This function is covered in further detail in the Minfos Help Centre. Click OK to close the category edit window. If you have searched for your category and it does not exist, you can choose to create a new category. Click the Add button and a category code will be automatically generated. Enter the category name, GP, or markup guidelines if required, and then click OK. The category will be added. You can easily delete categories if they have not been used. To do so, select the category, click Delete, and then OK. If the category has been used, a warning will display. If the category has not been used, click OK, and the category will be deleted. You can also generate a report of all categories in the selected category type. With the correct category type selected, click Print. A report will be generated listing the code and name of each category, the number of products allocated to the category, the GP, and markup percentages will also be displayed. Close the report and click Cancel to exit category maintenance. To learn more about categories in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.